So I just got the updates alert. So this is 2024.14.8. So we're gonna hit install now, and it says it's gonna begin installing in about 2 minutes, and we're gonna see. As it says here, it'll take approximately about 25 minutes for the installation. So we'll come back to it. The vehicle just finished updating itself, and this is what we get. 2024.1.14.8, and these are the update itself. And we click on a visual update. It shows you a car, and then here, visual update, user interface V12 elevates your visual experience with the following updates. Immersive full screen vehicle control. When you're parked, large playback controls and quick access to recent favorite, and up next in the media player. And expandable autopilot driving visualizations with a smaller map in the corner for trip guidance. And how about Audible? So listening to thousands of Audible original audiobooks and podcasts. Right, and then Spotify cues and playback speed. This one, preview of Sentry Mode recordings. Preview of Sentry Mode recordings. When Sentry Mode triggers your vehicle alarm and records an event, you can immediately preview a brief clip of the recording on your phone. That is nice. Okay, that's something we want to see immediately, and about time they did the update. Press and hold the notification to watch the recording in your vehicle settings. You must have safety and dash cam turned on. Requires a USB with sufficient memory plugged into the vehicle. Then Tesla app on the iPhone, blah, 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 blah. So this is a good time for you guys to, if you haven't updated the flash drive yet, then you should. Okay, because I think mine is 1 terabyte. And what? Speed camera chime. To hear a chime when you're approaching a speed camera. Turn on navigations. I don't think well, in my area, they don't have that anymore. They remove all those speed cameras. But, it was good to have it. Trip progress bar. And it shows below the turn-by-turn list in your navigation. You now see a progress bar that changes as you drive closer to your destination or your next stop. The progress bar also reflects live traffic conditions on your route if you have online routing turned on. For real-time traffic and road conditions appear on your route. Set at navigation. Online routing must be turned on. Requires premium connectivity. Basically, you gotta pay $9 a month, or you can do like a year for $99. All right, so here, better route available. So in other words, it basically rerouted faster for us. Then wiper controls and security improvements. This update includes important security fixes and improvements and other updates. Other updates, when you're parked, you can expand. I think we read that already somewhere, somehow. So that's, yeah, so that's pretty much it. So let's see. Oh, wow. Look at that. Looks nice. Beautiful. Right? Beautiful. You see the whole car there. Check on this one. All right, setting, dynamics, anything change? Still the same, standard, lightweight hold, chargings, nothing change. And I see navigations here. And then it has these little blues here, but those blues. Audible's on here, Spotify, those are something I think just got updated. So it's highlighted blue for you to see. Software, okay. Recommended 42, and it's currently at 43 and 44. Software. Have some updates. When I click on here, on the theater, and now it goes Tesla Theater, Netflix, Hulu, YouTube, and TikToks. I think this is the first time seeing TikTok, I think. And let's see what else. Then click on here. Then everything else the same. The climates, I think the climates look like something different. Left seat, defrost. Navigation, so I think that's something new. Camera, energy, dash cam, Spotify, anything else new? Yeah. The manuals. Yes. Yep, that's pretty much just for the update. Did like about 30 minutes. Looks really nice. And by the way, this is a 2023 Tesla Model Y with the AMD Ryzen chip. So as you can see, this one is like, even though this is basic autopilot, you can see it looks like FSD. It captures a lot of things. You can see cars there. Really nice, really neat. There's really great updates. Right, so yeah, you can see it captures a lot. See all the traffic lights. See cars that are way ahead. Really nice. You know, so the benefits of driving a Tesla is you get an update very often. Right? It looks like you're driving a new car. New UI interface. Right? Now you see the parked cars everywhere. People walking. You know, all the cameras, everything's really nice. You can see I'm really far away from the traffic lights from there, but as you can see here, it captures the image and everything, even like the pedestrian walking in that corner all the way at the light, you know. So yeah, this is big improvements. I love it.